Hi friends, so first let's pull out 1 stick of butter, which is 4 ounces or 8 tablespoons. You also need to roast some butternut squash and mash it. We are going to allow the butter to soften while we're doing everything else. First I start with 1 1/4 cups brown sugar, 4 1/2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Just try to get it as flat as possible. This is 1 teaspoon, 2, 3, 4, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now let's just try to combine these 3 ingredients as best as we can. The brown sugar can be quite lumpy, so you want to break up the lumps as best as you can. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of mashed butternut squash. And how I made this was I cut the butternut squash in half. I roasted it in the oven really slow until it was soft. And then I did a little extra cooking. I just put it in a pot and added a little bit of water and brought it up to a boil pretty much, or like a nice hot heat. And then I mashed it all up with a hand masher. This is a 1/2 cup, so I'll need 6 of these. And there you have it. There's my 3 cups of mashed squash. Now I'm going to beat 2 eggs and add them. And 3 teaspoons of real vanilla extract. 1, 2, 3. You can use a regular pie crust like I am using here, or graham cracker crust. Butternut squash pie is very similar to pumpkin pie. Once you get the batter in the shell, line the outside of the crust with aluminum foil. Bake at 425 for 15 minutes. Take off the aluminum foil and bake for another 30 minutes at 350 degrees. I like to enjoy warm with vanilla soy milk and whipped cream.